In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get started with Pipedrive CRM in just 5 minutes. Let's jump right in and get your CRM journey off to a smooth start. First, open your web browser and type in Pipedrive CRM. Once the search results appear, click on the link to navigate to the Pipedrive homepage. Upon arriving there, look for a prominent button labeled Try for Free and click on it. This will lead you to the Sign Up page, where you can begin your free trial and explore Pipedrive's features. Now, it's time to set up your account. You can either enter your email address manually, or, for a quicker process, sign up using your Google account. Keep an eye out for any prompts that follow, as these will guide you in creating a password and verifying your email address. It's a straightforward process designed to ensure your account is secure right from the start. As you continue with the setup, you'll be asked to provide a bit more personal information. Enter your name, job title, and answer some questions about your experience with sales tools. These details help tailor the Pipedrive experience to suit your needs. The next step involves entering your company's name, size, and the industry you're a part of. Completing this step finalizes your account setup, making Pipedrive ready to use based on your organizational specifics. Pipedrive wants to know your primary goal, so indicate whether you're aiming to manage leads better, close deals more effectively, or perhaps something else entirely. This helps streamline how the platform assists you in reaching your objectives. Once set up, navigate to the Deals section to get a glimpse of your sales pipeline. Here, you can define and customize the stages that represent your specific sales process. Typical stages might include qualified, contact made, and negotiation started. Not only can you customize these, but you can also add custom fields to capture specific information relevant to your deals, contacts, and organizations. Got existing customer or sales data sitting in a spreadsheet? You can import this data directly into Pipedrive, which is great for populating your account with your current contacts, deals, and other essential information. To streamline communications, head over to Settings, find the Email Sync option, and connect your Gmail, Outlook, or another preferred email account. Doing so automatically associates your email exchanges with the right contact or deal in Pipedrive. Similarly, navigate to Calendar Sync to ensure meetings and appointments on your calendar are reflected in your CRM, linking them to relevant deals and contacts. Now that your pipeline and contacts are set up, you're ready to track a deal. Click the green Add Deal button from the main pipeline view and enter important deal details, like the contact person, organization, deal value, and the expected close date. As deals progress, the visual pipeline allows you to drag and drop them from one stage to the next. Make sure to keep your interactions organized by scheduling calls, meetings, and emails, all crucial activities that can be marked as complete once they're executed. Moreover, Pipedrive's automation features are there to save you time on repetitive tasks. For example, setting up an automated email reminder when a deal shifts to a new stage can help maintain momentum. If you're collaborating with a sales team, add them to your account and define their access through Settings. Manage users. Ensure you assign suitable user permissions to control what data team members can view and edit. This step is key in maintaining data privacy and security. Lastly, leverage Pipedrive's insights and dashboards to monitor your team's performance and track sales outcomes. With these tools, you can analyze progress and make informed decisions to enhance your sales strategy. And there you have it, a complete and quick start guide to Pipedrive CRM. Thanks for watching and happy selling.